Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a textiles graduate and I started my business whilst at university, but then expanded it after I graduated in 2022. My business, Emily Hacker, is a luxury homeware and stationery brand. I hand paint all the illustrations and create repeat patterns that adorn my products, such as tea towels, greeting cards and art prints. I'm very inspired by where I live in the Monmouthshire countryside, so a lot of my patterns are inspired by the local fauna and flora. And I also wanted to add sort of like a bit of a social element in it as well, because I've got cerebral palsy. I know that a lot of people like me can't explore outdoor spaces, so I wanted to create designs that they could bring inside their home so they can sort of experience it as well. I wanted to create a brand that had as low of an impact on the environment as possible, so I really wanted to use me being an entrepreneur to create a green environment, especially for the textile industry, which is quite polluting. One of the highlights has definitely been being able to see my products in shops, as well as being invited to very prestigious events such as at the Makers Guild of Wales. One of the biggest challenges that I faced is really being able to establish a presence online. So I find it very useful for my product-based business to join a marketplace such as Etsy that has really helped my online visibility. Support that I've received from the university includes being connected to a business advisor to help with any business-related problems, as well as being able to attend talks and webinars, and the opportunity to test trade on campus so I can really validate my business ideas, and also funding to help support startup costs like building a website. The advice that I would give a student if they wanted to start their own business is to really make use of the free resources and advice that is available to you, as well as to not worry about getting your product or your business perfect when you start, as it will evolve and grow as you continue on your business journey.